What's up, everybody? It's your boy AronRSX. I am accompanied by.
Your boy RSX.
If you guys haven't already, go follow his Instagram. He does post car pictures, and I'm featured in some of them. So, in today's video, we are going to be working on both of our RSXs. There's Timmy's right there. Here's mine right here. And what are we doing today?
Autozone special.
AutoZone special.
Strobe lights.
Yes, sir. I've seen it around on TikTok, and I wanted to know how you guys did it. But Timmy figured it out, and now we're going to be hopping on this shit. It should be easy, straightforward wiring job. They have a shorter wire to install and route through your firewall into the car. So we're going to have to extend it for the RSX. I don't know about any other car, but we're going to have to do that here. And yeah, let's get into it. It came with the module, the two lights, and then it connects to this display thing, which comes with a battery, but we don't need that because we're just gonna use the switch to turn it on and off through the car. So yeah, Alpina. So we just mocked it up. Here's one side, and here's the other side, and I'll show you guys how we wired it up. It's a simple, easy process, but here's just a mock-up for right now. What you think, Timmy? Good? Here's what it looks like. At nighttime, it should be a lot better, huh? Should flash a little more. Damn, that shit look tight, bro. Let me see that side angle. That shit's hella tight. Damn. So, now that we got it mocked up, it's time to wire it all in. Make sure everything is secure. And we'll see you guys when it's all done. Jeezy. Well, there you guys have it, the strobe lights on the RSX. It took so long. It took about 4 or 5 hours to complete it. It shouldn't take that long. It should probably take like an hour, hour and a half. But we ran into some issues with this setup. But I'll show you guys how we did it underneath the hood. Don't mind the wiring setup. It's still not complete. I still have to tuck in the wires through here and mount it on there. But here's the basic setup. Here's the module. It's connected through the back of the dash. I did it through here and through here. You can open up this part underneath the steering wheel, and then it goes through here, through the side piece you can take off, and then through the fender. Put it through the fender, and then I wired it all along here, and you can see the wires bunched up right here. The power wire, I connected it and spliced the parking lights at right there. I spliced it. Either you can splice it to that one I can control on and off. But for the RSX, if you mount it to the ground and to the battery, the module will always stay on. It'll show a blue light, which I don't want. I don't want to kill the battery. So I just spliced the parking lights and then connected it to the ground and the power wire from the module. One of the strobe light posts, which is this black and white wire right here, I connected to that one. No need to modify it. But then the wire to the other side of the headlight, or to the other headlight, I have it here. And then I just bought a regular 18 gauge wire and then spliced the light post. I cut the light post wires, exposed them, and then put them together. Wired it through here, 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 and then wired it together right here. So that's the basic setup for the RSX, if you guys want to do it for the RSX. But for any car, I'm not sure what people do, but people I've heard done the negative on the regular post or any 10 millimeter right here along the, as long as it's connected to metal, and then the power wire to the battery. But for the RSX, since it stays on, I just connected it to the parking light. So that's about it for wiring. Other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory and simple. For those who are trying to do it in their headlights, you're gonna have to extend it. Some people put the module in the engine bay, but I put it up there so I can switch through the modes, and then that should be it. Other than that, that's all it is to it. Pretty self-explanatory. It should probably take you like an hour, hour and a half at most, but it took us 4 to 5 hours. If one of the LED posts has constant power, I suggest switching one of the LED post terminals over here, or the wires. When you first get out the box, one of these wires are going to be on this side, and I just switched it over to here, but it won't be able to do that one strobe effect where it goes light, 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 and then pauses, and then light, 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 and then pauses, light, light, light. Mine is only at both at the same time, light, 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 and if that makes sense. So if I put one of the negative and positive on one of these, it's not gonna work. It's gonna be constant power, and you don't want that. You want that strobe effect, so I just switched one of the positive and negatives to this side, so both of them are now here. And yeah, that's basically it. For the RSX, I wired it so when I switch this on, the parking light, it should be able to turn on, which it is now, as you can see. There's different modes to it, there's different speeds, but I like to keep it on that flashing one you guys saw on the cinematic. And that's basically it for the install. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comment section down below. This is a pretty straightforward install, and this is from AutoZone for $40. So let me know if you guys find it. Some people already have it. I've seen it on TikTok all over the place, and I wanted to try it out for my own RSX. And we're gonna do Timmy's in another vlog. But other than that, this is how you do it for the RSX. This is basically how you do it for any car. And hope you guys enjoyed the content. It should be a short vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think of the strobe lights on the RSX. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. This is AronRSX signing out. Peace.